Hey guys, what's up? So if you have a deactivated Instagram account, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get that back. So if you kind of got deactivated, especially if you did nothing wrong, let's say it got deactivated just for some stupid reason, like you just nothing, just automatically just got deactivated. You did nothing wrong. You didn't post anything appropriately. You didn't follow all the guidelines. You didn't break any rules. This is how you guys get it back. So I'm gonna create this guy right here, Donuts91. So definitely go check him out on Instagram, guys. I'll have his link down in the description because he's got to help me out and got me my account back. This account right here on the screen, it's called INS Cats, and I worked pretty hard on it, but like it has 29,000 followers, and you know some people obviously have more followers than that, and accounts get deactivated for no reason. I don't know why, but YouTube, I mean, not, but I don't know why, but Instagram has a really crappy support system, so you can't really like message them or just like directly message them or just be like, hey, this is my account, it got deactivated for no reason. Can you get it back? It's not as easy as that. Like, their support is complete, like, trash. So what you have to do is a couple methods. So basically, the first method is basically this form right here. It's the help.instagram.com page, which I'm going to go over to in a second. And this is basically the message you want to send. Hello, my name is whatever, owner of what account. We're working with a digital marketing agency who had been running our Instagram account. We recently served times with them, and they got their followers to mass report us, which clearly triggered some sort of auto ban. We were trying to get the account back, and as we do not feel like we would violate any short of your terms after reading them multiple times, thank you for your help in advance. And you always want to answer the first question as no. Always country, put USA, regardless where you're from, and then it's going to send an email of a code. Send a pic of you holding the code. Use a thick black marker, and the email you send a pic with the code. Attach the sob story message I sent. You can even CC, which is basically you can add those two emails right there. Do this multiple times a day. The longest I've had an account ban was 2.5 weeks, and it was because of trademark infringement, which is the hardest to recover from. The key is doing it multiple times a day, and you can use any email to access it. It doesn't have to be the email that's linked to your account. The harder you work on it, the better chance you get it back. So basically, we messaged a couple times, and I basically did it. So basically, this is also an email, guys. This is another email from the guy that sent. Appeal, if I click on the link, they sent you again. And you have to keep doing it like a lot of times because the more times you do it, the more chance they're going to see it. So it is definitely possible. And I eventually kept doing it, and I eventually got it back. So thank you, this guy right here. So this is the message I actually sent. So basically it's right here. Hello, I have an Instagram account called INS Cats. I post cat photos. I tried to sign in with my account about a week ago, and it didn't let me sign in my account. So my account couldn't sign in because they violated the terms of Instagram. This had to be some kind of mistake. I read Instagram terms of use policy, and there is no policy or rule that my Instagram account INS Catch violates. Hope you take a look into this and get back my account up on Instagram ASAP. I was extremely hard on this account for the past couple of years. Thank you. This is the website right here. So I'll have this linked website down in the description. And basically, if your account was activated, you want to fill this form out. And basically, once you fill this form out, you follow the procedure for this form. And you basically just keep sending them the same message. Like with the black marker, you keep sending them that because that's what worked for me. Also, what I feel like worked for me more is this email right here. Basically, I got from them when I got my account back is it looks like your account was disabled by mistake. Your account's been reactivated, and you should not be able to log in. We're sorry for inconvenience. If you have any issues getting back into your account, please let us know. Thanks, the Instagram team. And they sent this, obviously, to the email you have linked with your account. Hey guys, this right here, I think, also helped a lot. So just basically fill out that report. Keep sending them, like, the email with the black marker. And with your story, like your sob story of basically, like, can you get my account back? I'm the owner. They reported a lot of people reported my Instagram account, blah, blah, blah. You want to keep adding that, which I said in the beginning. And also sending this email. I sent this email at least 5 times. It's like I just sent once or twice a day for 4 or 5 days, and I actually stopped doing this and the other method for a couple of days, and then I cared for it, but I just didn't care too much. So I stopped for a couple of days, and I got an email from Instagram saying that they got my account back up. So it just takes definitely a low commitment. You guys send it a couple of times each day, and then after a couple of days, I'll just be a little patient, and you should get the account back. So it is possible. I wish it was a little easier way instead of just being I gotta do all this stupid stuff. I wish you could just call Instagram and talk to them and be like, hey, this is what happened, and then they could talk to you right there and then and help you right there and then. But it's not that easy or simple. And I know a lot of people are probably confused. That's why I made this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one, and peace.